Welcome to the FIRST Robotics Competition Southeastern Regional Award Show, part of the first Game Changers powered by Star Wars Force for Change season. Congratulations to all teams for all of your hard work and dedication this season. Some of you competed this year without ever meeting together as a team and used platforms like Zoom and divided responsibilities from home just like you would in a business. Others of you found innovative ways to meet together in person. All of you demonstrated how FIRST teaches us all to be more innovative, inventive, and passionate about Dean Kamen's vision for inspiring the world for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Tonight, we are going to celebrate all the teams that won awards in the Southeastern region. For our friends and family, we wanted to give a bit more of an explanation on how awards are given to our teams. Usually, we compete in regionals and districts that are pulled from geographic areas all across the world. This year, all teams who participated in this season were grouped with other teams from across the world. Many of our area teams competed with others from different states and even different countries. Awards were assigned to these groups. But tonight, we are celebrating all the teams who won awards in our region, regardless of the group they participated in. Now, let's get this celebration started and let's hear from FIRST Robotics Competition Director, Frank Merrick.
Hello, FIRST Robotics Competition teams. My name is Frank Merrick. I'm the Director of FRC, and welcome to your awards show. What a crazy season 2021 was, and I, for one, am, fingers crossed, hoping we can get together again in person for official events in 2022. But in the meantime, congratulations to all the award winners and everyone who participated this year. Have a great show.
Thank you, Frank. And now here to recognize the first supporters for the FIRST Game Changers powered by Star Wars Force for Change season is Blair from FIRST Headquarters.
Every year, FIRST and you benefit from the support of hundreds of generous sponsors, suppliers, scholarship providers, and alliances. We deeply appreciate their commitment and dedication and are especially grateful during this challenging season. A big thanks to everyone who makes FIRST, FIRST.
Thanks, Blair. Our Southeastern Regional Award Show wouldn't be possible without a number of local sponsors. A big shout out especially goes to the University of New Orleans for the use of their recording space and also to these local sponsors. An extra special thanks goes to the Louisiana-Mississippi sponsor of this virtual broadcast, Chevron.
One thing you can see with Chevron, they're very good at partnering with other technology developers.
The software is designed to be user-friendly.
It's really easy to maneuver and it has a nice steady movement. I think the snake arm could really transform inspections.
The benefits of being part of a FIRST team are too many to count. The leadership skills you develop, the friendships you make, the technical background you build, all are directly applicable to your future professional life. One of the most important benefits, though, are all the careers available to you as a FIRST team member. Many companies are interested in hiring FIRST students and alumni as interns and employees, so be sure to share your FIRST experience on your resume and interviews. Find out more at www.firstinspires.org/alumni. As we look to the end of the season, some of our team members are getting ready to progress to the next journey of their lives. Graduating seniors moving on to college or future careers and bringing all the life skills they learned with them. Let's take a moment to recognize them. And finally, before we start announcing the awards, we have one more special guest with a quick shout out. Here's FIRST founder, Dean Kamen.
As I do at the end of every season, I'd like to start by thanking the parents, the mentors, the teachers, the sponsors for helping give these kids this opportunity to have the hardest fun they'll ever have. I am aware each year of how much work it takes, how much grit it takes, but you always surpass our expectations. Congratulations to everybody, and let's celebrate the season we just finished, and I'll see you all next year when we make it even more exciting.
Now I want to introduce my co-host that will be helping present the awards for this season, Eric Specking.
Hey, Daniel, thanks for that. I am excited to be here with you. Eric Specking, I'm an assistant dean with the University of Arkansas, and we're going to have a great evening tonight. Back to you, Daniel, to get this show started.
Thanks, Eric. Before we get started with the awards, I wanted to remind teams to make sure that your Zoom cameras are on and ready. If you win an award, we're going to bring up your video so we can all celebrate with you. I'll remind you of this as we go through each segment. Let's get started with the Game Design Challenge Award. The Game Design Challenge Awards are a group of 7 awards that celebrate the success of teams that submitted their idea for the Game Design Challenge. These awards include the Rookie Design Award, which celebrates a rookie's team outstanding success in the Game Design Challenge. The Creativity Award, sponsored by Rockwell Automation, which celebrates creativity that enhances the overall game design concept. The Engineering Design Award, which celebrates the team that demonstrates sound engineering in the design process. The Imagery Award, in honor of Jack Kamen, which celebrates the attractiveness in engineering and outstanding visual aesthetic and integration from the machine to the team appearance. The Concept Award, which celebrates a team that creates an interesting, realistic game concept. And the Designers Award, which celebrates a team outstanding success within the Game Design Challenge. The Southeastern region received 2 of the Game Design Challenge Awards in the 2021 season. First, the Imagery Award in honor of Jack Kamen. The judges said of this award winner, this team cobbled together elements from past FIRST seasons. They dozed through the competition as they brought their team theme to life. Their electrifying designs light up all who see it. The Imagery Award goes to Team 3616, Team Phenomena from Lafayette, Louisiana. Next, the Concept Award. The judges said that this team felt the earth rumble beneath them and Alliance equipment was failing. Though they could feel the heat, this team did not panic, and by linking negatives and positives, a solution was found. With equipment repaired, they crossed the rift zone to safety and escaped the looming eruption. Congratulations to Team 2992, the SS Prometheus from Mandeville, Louisiana. Before we continue the At-Home Challenge Awards, let's talk about something very important to every high schooler: scholarships. Nearly 200 colleges and universities make available over $800 million in scholarships, specifically to FIRST participants and alumni, as part of the FIRST Scholarship Program. So, apply, apply, apply. Some of these scholarships are located very close to home. Let's take a quick look at some of the scholarships in our region. Hey teams, are your cameras up and ready? It's time to move on to the At-Home Challenge Awards.
Wow, congratulations to all teams that won the Game Design Challenge. Now we move to the At-Home Awards. This year, teams competed in a virtual environment in 7 at-home challenges. Those include the Autonomous Award, which celebrates the team that has demonstrated consistent, reliable, high-performance robot operation during autonomously managed actions. Evaluation is based on the robot's ability to sense its surroundings, position itself or onboard mechanisms appropriately, and execute tasks. The Quality Award celebrates machine robustness in concept and fabrication. The Industrial Design Award celebrates the team that demonstrates industrial design principles, striking a balance between form, function, and aesthetics. The Excellence in Engineering Award celebrates the team that demonstrates a professional approach to the design process. The Rookie Game Changer Award, this award celebrates a rookie team's outstanding success this season. Then the Skills Competition Finalist Award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the skills competition. The winner of this award came in second place for the most points in their group. Then the Skills Competition Winner Award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the skills competition. The winner of this award had the most points in their group. The Southeastern Regional is proud to have 5 award winners or finalists in the At-Home Challenge. Let's start with our first award, the Autonomous Award, sponsored by Ford. Let's hear from Ford.
Hi, I'm Laura Steinholtz from Team 1522 in Mechanicsville, Virginia, and today I work as an aerodynamics engineer at Ford Motor Company. We created the Autonomous Award because we believe that advancements in robotics and automation are going to have a profound and positive impact for our vehicles and for society. Underscoring this belief, we recently opened the Ford Robotics building at the University of Michigan, where our researchers will work alongside students and faculty to make this future a reality. It's so exciting to see how this award has inspired teams to go further in their automation, and we'd like to congratulate all the winners of the 2021 Autonomous Award.
The Autonomous Award, sponsored by Ford. Let's hear what the judges had to say. This team hit their target, never swerving away from a challenge. They embraced the limelight and finished with a bang. Their 8-cell auto diffused the chances of an opponent win. The Autonomous Award, sponsored by Ford, for the Indium Group, goes to Team 16, the Bomb Squad from Mountain Home, Arkansas.
Congratulations, Bomb Squad, for your amazing autonomous. Our next award goes to two teams, the Quality Award. The judges said of the first team that they were very intelligently designed the robot as a holistic system, creating each component of the robot to be highly effective in the heat of competition. They tightly integrated control functions in the design, using LiDAR to determine distance from the wall to their shooter for RPM, and controlling the number of balls in their indexing system with sensors. It's almost like magic. Congratulations to Team 4087 Voodoo Voltage. Of the second award winner, the judges said that strength and reliability are at the heart of this team's design approach. They aren't sheepish when it comes to conceptualizing and building components that endure the challenges of the game, right down to full 6-wheel suspension. You might even say they grabbed quality by the horns. Congratulations to Team 4336, Ramageddon Robotics from Lafayette, Louisiana.
The next award is the Industrial Design Award, sponsored by General Motors.
Congratulations, FIRST Robotics Industrial Design Award winner from General Motors.
The judges said, keeping small in a lean year, this team had a clear, unified plan for the robot. Their small, lightweight chassis with compressed swerve modules allows for high speed and maneuverability. With bumpers in their team striking black and gold, completing their robot, this team slithers around the field, swiftly accomplishing the infinite recharge at home challenges. So, congratulations, Team 5006 Apophis from Fayetteville, Arkansas. And now to the Skills Competition Finalist Award. Let's congratulate Team 3937 Breakaway from Searcy, Arkansas. And Team 5006 Apophis from Fayetteville, Arkansas. Well, last and not least, the final award for the at-home challenge, the Skills Competition Winner Award. Help me congratulate Team 16 Bomb Squad from Mountain Home, Arkansas.
Our next award is the Rookie Game Changer Award. The judges said about this rookie team flew to the stars, wowing our judges. Their robot was good, and they made their presence known. From a pizza place to the Capitol, they spread their hive. Next year, watch out for their bite, because this team is deadly. The Rookie Game Changer Award goes to Team 8044 Denim Venom from Denham Springs, Louisiana. Now let's go back to the skills competition. The next winner of the skills competition is not only a winner in their sodium group and the Southeastern region, but also ranks third globally in the skills challenge. Congratulations, Team 2992, the SS Prometheus from Mandeville, Louisiana. Our last team not only won in the Southeastern region in the Technetium group, but also ranks number 2 in the world for skills challenges. Congratulations, Team 364 Fusion from Gulfport, Mississippi.
Our next award, the FIRST Innovation Challenge, presented by Qualcomm, Semifinalist Award. The semifinalists are teams that achieve excellence by designing an innovation for this game changer season Real World Challenge with efficient design, sound use of technology, a feasible business model, and a compelling business pitch. Advancing FIRST Robotics Competition teams will showcase their innovative solutions for awards at the 2021 Global Innovation Awards powered by Star Wars Force for Change on June 28th through the 30th, 2021, which is a remote event in a FIRST strategic partners and a global audience of peers and industry leaders. Before we hear what the judges have to say, let's hear from Qualcomm.
Hey FIRST teams, Natalie Ducey here from Qualcomm. As this year's season presenting sponsor of the FIRST Innovation Challenge, I just want to take a moment to congratulate all of our semifinalist teams. I hope everybody that participated in the Innovation Challenge this season really got a flavor of what innovation is all about. And I'm really looking forward to seeing the projects and the real world solutions that teams came up with this year. Congratulations to everyone again, and we'll see you at GIA.
The judges said this team pushed all the right buttons when it comes to their design, and it's safe to say we will soon have a break from our concern when we are on the run. Their wearable solution will discreetly keep your family or friends in the know if you are feeling afraid while on the go. Congratulations to Team 3937 Breakaway for being a FIRST Innovation Challenge semifinalist. Team Breakaways from Searcy, Arkansas.
When young people need an assist to achieve their two-wheeled dreams, this team proves that there are no limits to what you can accomplish when you combine a passion for accessibility with creative problem solving. Their solution isn't an unexplained phenomena or occurrence if that's too on the nose. It's the result of thoughtful design and innovation. Congrats to Team 3616, Team Phenomena! FIRST would not be possible without the continued support of all of our volunteers, mentors, coaches, supportive parents. Thank you for all the amazing work you've done during this challenging process. We could not have done it without you.
The next award, the Volunteer of the Year Award, celebrates the dedication and service of truly outstanding volunteers. The phenomenal success of the FIRST Robotics Competition is a reflection of the commitment and enthusiasm displayed by our volunteers.
Come be a volunteer, help build tomorrow.
Volunteering that we do for FRC, best time of my life. It's awesome.
At FRC events, there are more than 120 people that are committed to making a difference for everyone involved.
It's so rare to find some of your volunteering that you're so passionate about. You only find that with FIRST.
I volunteer because I genuinely love what I do, and I love to inspire kids as much as I was inspired back when I was competing.
And you make amazing friends with these other volunteers. There's networking that happens. There's on-the-job training. It's a full gamut. There's no better way to spend a weekend.
Volunteering for FIRST is an amazing experience. As an alumni of the program, I get to experience all the new teams, all the parents, all the new students, and we always have a party with everyone here.
Come join the fun.
Is there anywhere else you'd rather be than a FIRST event? Come join the fun.
Come volunteer, help build tomorrow.
We are truly humbled by the passion and commitment of all volunteers. And I know this is a hard award to select from. But it is truly an honor tonight to give this award out to a friend and someone I've gotten to know over the last several years at the Rock City Regional. This year's award goes to Brad Miller, who's been our phenomenal judge advisor, and especially in this year's time when we've had to go to a remote setting. Think about before, just trying to get all the judges, so all of you students, you know, those people in the blue polos, right? But trying to find them, round them up, get them the information they need, train them, make sure they have the right food. It's even more difficult to do that in a virtual setting. Think about all the schedules that Brad had to coordinate. Think about all the schedules for the teams he had to coordinate and then put them together. So Brad, I don't know how you did it, but I'm excited that you are winning this award and humbled that we get to work with you every year. So congratulations, Brad Miller, for an excellent achievement.
Congratulations, Brad. This year, the 2021 Volunteer of the Year for the Bayou Regional was presented live and advanced. Our co-volunteer coordinator was on the scene in Metairie, Louisiana to present the award to the winner in person.
In a restaurant parking lot, here to present the Volunteer of the Year award to Warren Kansian, our judge advisor. He thinks he's coming to lunch with his family, so we're hoping it'll be a delightful surprise for him. They're on their way.
They're almost here.
Warren! Surprise!
Hi. Hello. Hi, Warren.
It's the 2021 Volunteer of the Year for the FIRST Robotics Southeastern Regional.
Really appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Annette Ertling. I am one of the volunteer coordinators for the FRC Bayou Regional, this year the Southeastern Regional, and we are here with our Volunteer of the Year, along with his daughter and his wife, and our first senior mentor, April Gatos. So I was approached by this volunteer in 2002 at an ASME conference asking if I would be interested in getting involved in some organization named FIRST, which turned out to be one of the best decisions I have ever made. And I'm sure I was not his only recruit. For him, it has been a family affair of almost 20 years of service, passion, and dedication, and we appreciate it. Engaging his wife, daughter, son, brother, and a nephew in the melee. His grandchildren have even joined FIRST teams at their school. We often find this volunteer in costume. It all started with hats, and then he was given a kilt, which he proudly wore. From there, it progressed to include a Knight of King Arthur from Monty Python, a character sporting real mutton chops with his steampunk-era costume, Mario from Mario Brothers, and an astronaut in full garb. And he was prepared to be a Jedi before COVID hit. As the judge advisor, he is crazy organized, a necessity for the role. And leading the pack with both wisdom and persistence, he is able to achieve consensus from 30+ judges with varying, often strong opinions. And he never has to break out the boxing gloves. He is not afraid. Not too often? That I know of. His daughter assures me. He is not afraid to question and make tough decisions to follow the rules, always standing up for what is right. And in this virtual climate, he successfully coordinated the remote live judging for the Southeastern Regional Dean's List and Chairman's Awards. Within his company, he is a champion of FIRST, spearheading not only volunteer efforts, but also widespread team support in the way of funding, materials, and mentors. He shares his time and talent with the entire FIRST family, serving on the board of FIRST Louisiana-Mississippi and as the judge advisor for the Louisiana FIRST Lego League Challenge program. This volunteer is supportive, amusing, always willing, and somehow mistakenly thinking he is retiring soon. We are delighted to present to him a 2021 Volunteer of the Year award to Mr. Warren Kansian. Yay!
Congratulations, Warren, and thank you for everything that you've done for the Bayou and for FIRST. When people first get involved in any FIRST program, they quickly realize that what we do is much more than robots. It's an entire ethos of gracious professionalism, cooperation, innovation. Let's hear another short, brilliant lesson from Woody Flowers, who coined the phrase gracious professionalism.
Many smart people are predicting that future careers and jobs will rapidly and continuously change. In my career, for example, most of the analytical Methods used for engineering analysis have dramatically changed. Artificial intelligence is suddenly becoming a very powerful tool. It's even on the verge of becoming a tool designing tool. What happens when big data and AI become potential tool makers? What happens when natural language is applied to solid modeling and stress analysis? You might soon be able to say to your screen, design a bracket to hold this wheel, keep the deflection to less than 1 millimeter as the robot collides with a stiff wall at full speed. That time is near. So what will a STEM-trained person do? What will we offer to society so society will love us? It's not likely to be commonly applied technical analysis. However, uniquely human things like recognizing needs, being creative, acting on empathy, demonstrating leadership, designing beautiful things, those uniquely human characteristics will be even more valuable. So, those who understand the universe and understand themselves and society will be in a very powerful and satisfying position. That's good stuff.
Now to present the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. Last year's Woody Flowers winner, Alan Gregory.
Hello, I'm Alan Gregory, the proud winner of the 2019 Woody Flowers Award, and I'm honored to be with you today to present the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. Woody Flowers stated, "Creative activity is one of the few self-rewarding activities. Being creative is like being in love." The love of FRC robotics has been deep-seated in so many for so many years. This year, we saw that love and that energy get creative with the new competition challenges. Teams this year have adjusted their methods, changed their plans, and reached for different goals as we all adapted to the challenges the world gave us. The safety net of change has been FIRST mentors. Students have eloquently shared in their heartwarming Woody Flowers essays evidence of how our FIRST Robotics Competition mentors have continued to show their strength, dedication, and unwavering gracious support of our youth. Woody believed societies get the best of what they celebrate. The Woody Flowers Award celebrates our students by providing them a means to formally recognize their mentors with a WFFA nomination. Students have an opportunity to implement gracious professionalism through high-quality work and emphasizing the value of others. Because it is a student's choice, it is so meaningful to the mentors. Because the award elevates Woody's tradition of guiding us with clarity and integrity, it is so meaningful to the whole FIRST community. The Woody Flowers Award celebrates outstanding communication in the art and science of engineering and design. It was created by Dr. William Murphy in 1996, seeking to recognize one mentor who, in the concisely communicated written words of students, demonstrates the leadership, ethical behavior, and technical communication skills that were exemplified by Woody. At each region and district awards event, one mentor will receive the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. Then, one mentor will be selected from present finalists and renominated past finalists to receive the 2021 Championship Woody Flowers Award. Here in the Southeastern Region, you shared high praise for the accomplishments and dedication of your mentors and your teams. Based on your input, we now recognize the contribution of one mentor to the FIRST experience. This mentor has put STEM front and center, expanding partnerships with local universities and building the engineering curriculum at her school. She has put her students and team at the front of her priorities. She works to give them what they need to both be successful at competitions and in life. She is able to teach engineering concepts in a way that her students know they can make their dreams into reality. Please join us in congratulating the 2021 Southeastern Region Woody Flowers Finalist Award winner, Jean Williams from Team 2080.
Thank you, Alan, and congratulations to Jean for all of her hard work and dedication to FIRST and to 2080 Robotics. Now, let's introduce our first Dean's List Award finalists. First Dean's List finalists are outstanding, passionate student leaders who demonstrate exemplary effectiveness at attaining FIRST ideals. They were nominated by their teams for their direct contributions and impact on others, exemplifying leadership and commitment on the team and in their community. These first two Dean's List finalists are moving on for consideration to be a First Dean's List Award winner. The Southeastern Regional will submit 4 finalists to be in the running for the 2021 First Dean's List Award winners. Congratulations to the first Dean's List finalist from Team 2080 Robotics in Hammond, Louisiana, Matthew Benfield. And our second Dean's List finalist, also from Team 2080 in Hammond, Louisiana, Nathan Gendron. Our third Dean's List finalist for the Southeastern Regional is from Lafayette, Louisiana, Team 3616 Team Phenomenon, Zoe Mustian. And our final Dean's List finalist is from Marrero, Louisiana, a power-struck girl from Team 5965, Kyra Pori.
Congratulations, all teams thus far. You've done a phenomenal job. And now we're getting closer to the end of the award ceremony. So it is my pleasure to announce the Chairman's Award. The Chairman's Award is the most prestigious award at FIRST. It honors the team that best represents a model for other teams to emulate and best embodies the purpose and goals of FIRST. The Chairman's Award is presented to the teams judged to have the most significant measurable impact of its partnership among its participants and community over a sustained period. Not just a single build season, a sustained period. The winner is able to demonstrate progress towards FIRST mission of transforming our culture. The winning team will compete against other Chairman's Award winners for the Championship Chairman's Award. The Southeastern Region will present the 2 Chairman's Award for the 2021 season. Here's what the judges had to say about our first award winner. They said, this team did not allow the pandemic to dim their light. They shone while hosting workshops, volunteering at events, supporting frontline workers, and making deep and personal impacts on team members and others. Growing quickly from humble FLL beginnings, this young powerhouse team socked it to the competition. So congratulations, Team 7428 Gigawatts from Fort Payne, Alabama.
Our second Chairman's Award is the final award in this year's presentation and represents the Bayou region. Here's what the judges had to say. The Chairman's Award is the most prestigious award at FIRST. It honors the team that best represents a model for other teams to emulate and best embodies the purpose and the goals of FIRST. Over the years, this Force for Change has built strong partnerships in their school, their community, their state, and internationally. Even when COVID reared its ugly head, they were true game changers, adjusting to meet every challenge head on. Their strong efforts and mentorship of FIRST LEGO League and FIRST Tech Challenge teams persevered. They even expanded to support additional teams during this extremely challenging season. They have ensured that their state is powered for the future by bringing STEM to the forefront with all ages from the youngest youth through all levels of school to the educators and all the way up to the State Department of Education. At a time when meeting in person was not an option, these innovators fashioned new ways of engaging their community virtually. The videos they produced were so stimulating, their school district adopted them for instructional use in classrooms throughout the school year to increase engagement and participation in STEM activities. The infinite recharge didn't end there. Their virtual AstroCamp videos rocketed into the schools across the country and beyond into Mexico. This team with big purple hearts finds a way to reiterate STEM in everything they do. Congratulations, team number 2080, Robotics from Hammond, Louisiana. This concludes our 2021 Southeastern Regional Award Show. Thank you again to all the judges, volunteers, mentors for everything that you've done to make this season possible. Congratulations to all of our award winners and every team for participating in this year's FIRST Game Changers powered by Star Wars Force for Change season. Please share your congratulations with teams in the comments on YouTube after the show. And remember to watch the FIRST Headquarters Awards broadcast at a date to be determined and the Global Innovation Award being presented on June 30th, 2021. And we hope to see you in person at our 2 upcoming off-season events, the Red Stick Rumble in August and the Beach Spot Battle in October, and then for official competitions next year. Until then, I'm Daniel Island, Bayou Regional MC. Good night.